Wait, does an angel contemplate my fate? And do they know the places where we go when we're grey and old? 'Cause I've been told that salvation lets their wings unfold. So when I'm lying in my bed, thoughts are running through my head, and I feel that love is dead, I'm loving angels instead.
And through it all, she offers me protection, a lot of love and affection, whether I'm right or wrong, and down the waterfall, wherever it may take me, I know that life won't break me when I come to call. She won't forsake me. I'm loving angels instead.
When I'm feeling weak and my pain walks down the one-way street, I look above and I know I'll always be blessed with love. And as the feeling grows, she breathes flesh to my bones. And when love is dead, I'm loving angels instead.
And through it all, she offers me protection, a lot of love and affection, whether I'm right or wrong, and down the waterfall, wherever it may take me, I know that life won't break me when I come to call. She won't forsake me. I'm loving angels instead. Waterfall, wherever it may take me, I know that life won't break me when I come to call. She won't forsake me.
I'm loving angels instead.
Apparently that was tweeted out today.
Very good. I hope you guys are going to stay to hear some of what we're going to talk about, because this is such an important subject, but thanks so much.